much. Women of 60 years old. They look 30 years old when they apply this cream that completely eliminates their wrinkles, expression lines at the edge of the mouth, and all the wrinkles on the neck. Cornstarch will be the fundamental base of this mask. We will start by adding a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then we will add a tablespoon of coffee. Now we will add 5 tablespoons of honey and mix the honey. It produces a very flattering, lifting effect for our skin in addition to its antibiotic properties. On the other hand, these ingredients hydrate and clarify the skin, giving us the baby skin that we all want. Now we will add a teaspoon of baking soda. This helps cleanse the face and also returns the shine to the face that we often lose due to pollution and toxic agents, and now our mask is ready. Apply this mask with a clean and dry face in the mornings or at night, and let it act for 10 minutes. You will love the results. If you like this recipe, drop a yes, I will try it. Thank you very much.